All right, today we're gonna bring LED string lights. We're gonna set them up outdoors. Now, if you guys notice, this is plastic. It's waterproof. They're nicely tight and sealed in. You could have this for emergencies outdoors in case you're doing construction or somewhere else, or just light it up your backyard. So today we're gonna hang them up, and it's a long string of lights, and you could connect these with various lights if you want to. And it has a same physical connection as the other. So very simple, long cable, yellow. You can spot it from far away in case you need to put it for somewhere for references. And of course, these things come apart, and you can always click them back in, lock them back in place. If you don't like the design, you could take them off and have them by itself. So of course, each one's gonna have like a steel hanger, so you could zip tie them if you want on every corner or nail them down. So let's go ahead and put them together. Look at the lights, and sorry about the noise in the back. So this is pretty much the light. They're super bright. And I'm gonna show you how bright they are. They're lighting up this whole entire tent. I'm 3D printing, of course. So, but look at my backyard. There's actually lights here. Here's one string light. Here's the other one. Here's the other one. So it goes all around. They're very powerful, very bright. I'm very impressed with them. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like without the lights. So let's go ahead and unplug them in. I have one security light that's come on, but this is pretty much how dark it is on here. And this is my tent that I was just showing you guys. I'm making some 3D prints here, but the lights are super bright, as you can see. I'm just going to show you again. I'm going to plug them in. You can use them for outdoors, indoors. They're plastic, well secure, well made for weather. Lights up this entire area. It's a great look. You could, if you have a tent like I do back here in my yard where I have my little shop here outdoors, this is great where you can have this. So it goes all around, and they're really long and really bright. So if you guys are looking for outdoor lighting, these are perfect. The only thing they expand a little bit too wide. So well, like them. Hope you guys enjoy the video.